If you've been scared of HRT, pressured into it, or completely confused, this is the conversation you should have been given years ago. Hello, lovely. If you're here because HRT feels confusing, scary, or emotionally loaded, I want you to know this is a safe space. You don't need to decide anything today. You don't need to pick sides, and you don't need to justify your choices to anyone. Welcome to Wellness Insights 40B+. I'm here to share calm, honest health guidance just for you. This conversation is about understanding, not convincing. At the end of this video, my goal is simple. You'll feel informed, calmer, and more confident asking the right questions for your body. HRT has history, and not all of it was handled well. Many women were given outdated information, scared by headlines, dismissed or rushed, given one-size-fits-all advice. So now HRT carries emotion, not just science. Some would feel, I'm failing if I need it. Others feel, I'm reckless if I take it. Neither is true. Here's what most debates about HRT completely miss. HRT replaces hormones that naturally decline during perimenopause and menopause. These usually include estrogen, progesterone, sometimes testosterone. It can come as patches, gels, pills, creams, or implants. Patches for steady release, gels for easier applications, creams for lipase, and implants for long-term therapy. And here's something important. HRT is not one thing. Dose, type, timing, and delivery all matter. Let's talk honestly about benefits without exaggeration. Many women experience significant reduction in hot flashes, improved sleep, better mood stability, reduced night sweats, less joint pain, and improved quality of life. For some women, HRT is life-changing, not because it makes them younger, but because it helps them function. There is no shame in wanting relief. But benefits are only half the story, and this is where honesty matters. HRT is not risk-free. Possible downsides include side effects during adjustment, breast tenderness, bloating, headaches, and mood shifts. For some women, there are medical reasons to be cautious, including certain cancer histories, blood clot risk, uncontrolled blood pressure. This is why individual assessment matters more than opinions online. HRT may be helpful if symptoms are severe or sleep is consistently disrupted, if quality of life is suffering, and risks are assessed carefully and individually. And here's the question that matters more than should I take HRT? The real question is, what does my body need to feel supported right now? And here's the question that matters more than should I take HRT? The real question is, what does my body need to feel supported right now? That answer can change over time. Some women try HRT temporarily, some never use it, some combine it with lifestyle changes. All are valid. If this video helped you feel calmer or clearer, please subscribe to Wise Women Wellness. We talk about women's health honestly, without fear, pressure, or judgment. And remember this. There is no medal for suffering. There is no shame in support, and you are allowed to choose what feels right for you.